Bonjour, hello, welcome back to another video, Max Mountain World. I'm back in the garage this weekend. It's the end of the weekend, Sunday now. Just did a video, but it's a bit late in the edit for that one, a little tour around Les-Orres, because I haven't been here for 4 weeks. But this afternoon, heading back to Saxo up the Northern Alps again, about a 4.5 hour drive, and I am not taking the Jaguar. Let me explain. So I'm heading away, as I say, for 2 weeks, and I'll come back just before the 1st of December, and the 2nd of December this guy is into my local garage, Etape Auto, for some investigative work. The first thing is I had a slight whirring noise coming from the front right here. I think it's a bearing. It only happens on right-handers. Something I want them to look into. They're going to look into it and then see if that is the case. Second item, I had a bit of a problem coming back last time. Not really a problem, I avoided it, but I got a warning that the brake fluid was getting low, and that warning got a little bit worse and more regular, more often, and I topped it up with some. I bought some at a motorway station and it got me back, but I think the problem is going to be with the back at this side, because I parked it when I came here in a dry space. When I moved it, there was a little couple of drops of something which I tasted, and yeah, it was pretty yucky. It was brake fluid, so some problem there as well. Now, at the same time as it's going to be there for the second visit, that's the 2nd of December, it's going in to have that lot checked out and sorted out. The 18th of December it's going in to get those two things sorted, whatever's needed. Also, I'm getting them to check the tracking, because this tire's just a little bit wornish. Not too much, but it just shows signs of maybe not 100% right. And the other thing I'm getting done is to get the headlight glasses all defogged. Renovated to new, they said, so that'll be an interesting one. There's all sorts of fast cures on the internet and YouTube and stuff, but that's professionals are going to do it. So the Jag's going to be sitting here a wee while, a couple of weeks, and then it's going to get fixed up. So in the meantime, my next journey, 300-kilometer trip this afternoon, and I'm taking the Saxo. Been buzzing around in it and forgotten just how much fun it was to drive, but it just doesn't have so much space. So I'll have my editing bag and computer bag in the front. I've got the camera bag there, food and clothes and things, other stuff for the trip, and also in the boot all my toolkit and stuff, and some freezer stuff as well. So yeah, it's fully equipped, not just tools and stuff, but the emergency stuff, first aid, shovel, chains, you name it, it's all in there if I need it. So yeah, all prepared. Should be a fun drive. So probably noticed the Saxo. I've been buzzing around in it, as I say, checking it out, checked all the levels, making sure everything's good for the trip. And probably noticed it's a bit wet. That's because it's a bit wet out there. So have a quick look just at the end here. Catch the door slowly but surely. Okay, that's it, just an update. So this means as well that I'm not going to have radio stuff with me for 2 weeks. So worse things happen in the first world. So that's it. Quick look at this, and then that's it for today. Just a quick video update on the cars and the trip, and I'm going back there for 2 weeks to the Northern Alps. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah, so bucketing down as it has been all morning. If I focus in on something dark, you can see just how much rain is coming down on the ground as well. Oh, door's starting to close on my head. Don't want that happening. New building here. Check out that video I mentioned, the previous one to this one. And yeah, probably when I come back here in a couple of weeks' time, this will be white. I hope so. So when I come back, a couple of days after I get back the Jag down to the garage, as I say. I'll check the levels and stuff, make sure it is safe with the fluid. It should be, to take it down to the garage down in Umbran below. A mere 20-30 minutes away, depending on the weather and the conditions. And yeah, so it's going to get sorted out. But in the meantime, I don't want to take the risk with a potential 700-kilometre round trip. It just would be daft. So yeah, the Saxo's pretty comfy too. So that's it, bit of an update. The Jag, not so good, but there's nothing serious, I hope. It's minor stuff, but more preventative than anything else as well. Okay, thanks again for watching.